Hey everybody, it is Erica from Autofluencer, and it is Thanksgiving Eve. I don't know if that's a thing, but I'm making it a thing. Some of you are probably frantically cooking or greeting all the family that's come in town, while I am holed up in my office to do the giveaway. And very excited. It is been so awesome seeing all of your content and getting to know everybody. We are so excited. It was such a pleasure to be at SEMA and to meet everybody and hear how passionate you all are about this industry and how this is just what you want to do, right? Day in and day out is be a part of the aftermarket, make that your full-time thing. So if hopefully these awesome gifts, we've got the Anker battery power pack. We've got the GoPro Creator Edition. It looks so cute and it's brown wrapping paper. I didn't want to undo it. But it's got it's the Hero 12 Black as well as the whole creator kit. So the battery and the lighting and the little mic. We've got that DJI gimbal for your phone. It was awesome. We had it out at the show. I've got mine right here. I'm not using it for this. I've got my stand tripod. And then these we had at the show too. Some of you got to use them. Is the DJI wireless mics, the noise canceling wireless mics with the charging case. It's actually got two little mics, the transceiver, the transmitter that you can, or receiver, whatever, that you plug into your phone or plug into your camera. And those were really awesome, especially when you remembered to turn the setting on your phone, like I forgot to do multiple times. But as long as you just hit the little setting that you're using the external mic, they work great. Pro tips. Okay, and the case for the GoPro. So hopefully these will help you. Keep following your dreams, keep following your passion, keep getting all that great content out there for us. So I put all of these names. Actually like took all this paper and put it in here. I have a time lapse of it, but I'm guessing you don't want to watch that because that would be boring. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm not gonna look, and I'm not gonna drop any out. Okay, let's see who is gonna get the ultimate creator. Ooh, we've got a little mess of them down here, and they're all mixed up. Okay, let's look. Let's look. Miami Car Cartel. What are the chances, too? We actually just posted our video with John and Gloria from Miami Car Cartel, obviously down in Miami, posting awesome content, really getting up and going. They're so passionate about cars. They're so passionate about this industry. Give them a follow. We've got them tagged, or we'll tag them. And so congrats, you guys. And we're going to wait about a week before we ship it. We're going to put some swag in there. We've got some hats coming and some stickers and stuff. So we'll get that in, we'll get it shipped off, and can't wait to see you open it and post it on social. But thank you, everyone. It's been a pleasure getting to know you and continuing to get to know you as we are in early access. So if you're watching this, you're like, oh, this is cool. Like, I missed this. Don't worry. We're going to do more of these cool things. We've got some really cool ideas coming, some cool collabs we've talked to some of you about. So stay tuned for that. And we really want to use our social channels to really celebrate the industry, to celebrate all the creators, celebrate all the brands, celebrate the race car drivers, celebrate the builders, the off-roaders, you name it, and highlight all the great work that all of you are doing on this channel. And then while our platform is designed to connect all of you with each other. So we got so many great ideas when we were at SEMA talking to brands and how they'd love to be able to connect with more creators, talking with creators on how they'd love to be able to connect with more brands, and then everybody actually collab with each other. So creators connecting with creators and brands connecting with brands, with creators, with drivers, so all the things. So stay tuned. We're super excited. And happy Thanksgiving, y'all.